global cooling on corona outbreak. To explain that, I need to take you to the concept of global warming. Global warming is caused due to the greenhouse gas emissions from automobiles and factories. And you know the fact that the overall increase in the greenhouse gas emissions increases the global warming, which leads to the rise in the overall global temperature. And in India, the monsoon arrives in the western coast in the month of June. That is, the rainy season here for the western coast is in June and July. When we look into the present scenario, due to the coronavirus epidemic spreading, the entire world is completely locked down. That means there is no movement of vehicles and no factories running, which means that there is no emission of exhaust gases from automobiles and factories. So the amount of greenhouse gases does not increase, which decreases the overall global temperature. So when we look into the concept of rain, it is actually water molecules coming down together when the clouds cool down. In the present scenario, if the cooling takes place earlier, and so if the monsoon arrives earlier, this decreases the temperature of the land areas in India. When we look into the world map, we can see that the coronavirus affected areas are the regions having lower temperature. I mean countries like China, Italy, USA, France, etc. But for the regions below the equator, if the monsoon arrives earlier, and that means if the temperature lowers in these regions which are below the equator, then the virus, which easily spreads at lower temperatures, will spread faster. So what we can do is actually take all the precautions to stop the virus from spreading. Self-quarantine is the best way. Let's all stand together to fight this deadly virus.